Hi and welcome to my cooking channel Rempah Ratus Kitchen, where I share Malaysian and other recipes from my kitchen to yours. I know today is not a Sunday, but I thought I'd share a midweek recipe with you. It is an Indian vegetarian dish, a simple dish. It is a 3-vegetable stir fry made with a special spice mix. So join me now if you wish to know what that spice mix is. The 3 vegetables that we have for this recipe are French or green beans, carrots and potatoes. 100 grams of carrots, 140 grams of French or green beans and 140 grams of potato, all cut into finger shapes. We next have 1 medium onion chopped and 3 cloves of garlic also chopped. And now for the spice powder. 4 stalks curry leaves, 1 heaping tablespoon urad dal, half a teaspoon fennel seeds and 2 dried red chillies. Now off to the stove. First thing first, and that's the spice powder. I have my pan on a medium flame. The urad dal and the fennel seeds go in first. The idea is to roast these until they turn a light brown in color. The fennel seeds and the urad dal are lightly brown, so now we can add the dried chillies. I've just reduced the flame to low. I added the curry leaves in the meanwhile. Let's roast them together. The ingredients are sufficiently roasted. I have now turned the stove off and will remove this onto a plate to cool, after which I will grind it into a powder. Here you are, the spice powder after it has been ground. I've added 4 tablespoons of cooking oil into the pan that is on a medium flame. I am now going to pan fry both the potatoes and the carrots. The reason I am pan frying the potatoes and the carrots is that they will take a little while to cook otherwise and will probably lose their shape. Pan frying them like this will help them cook faster and retain their shape. They are vain, these vegetables. They love to look good. Don't we all? Potatoes are ready. Let's remove them from the oil and keep them aside. Now for the carrots. These finger carrots are done. Let's remove them. Potato and carrot fingers cooked and ready to go. I'm adding half a teaspoon of mustard seeds into the oil. Now let's wait for these mustard seeds to crackle. The mustard seeds are crackling. Can you hear them? I can now add the onion and the garlic and saute them. I just love the sizzle of the ingredients in the oil. I'll be frying this until the onions turn a light brown in color. The onions are now a light brown in color, so in goes the next ingredient, that is the French beans. I'm now going to fry these beans until they are done. I will be using minimal water because I do not want them to overcook. I just want them to be just right. That means there must still be a bite to them. Let's add a little bit of water to help the beans cook. Please don't drown the beans in water. As far as possible, we want them firm and crunchy. Let's cover the quali to help the beans cook faster. The beans are beautifully done. We can now let the estranged friends meet again. Carrots and potatoes joining the green beans now. Let's now mix them up. See how they have retained their color. I'm adding salt to taste. The special spice powder goes in now. I've added all the spice powder. Let's now coat the vegetables with the powder. The dish is done. I've turned off the stove. The Indian 3-vegetable stir fry with a special spice powder. A stir fry with a little difference, but that does not mean it is less tasty. Different? Yes. Tasty? A double yes. Thank you for watching. Please do try this dish and let me know what you think of that spice mix. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.